Welcome back. Now, Stalin visited K. Nehru, who has been accused in the land grabbing case. Now, defending the DMK, Stalin said that this was a tactic to tarnish the image of the DMK before the local body elections.
உள்ளாட்சி தேர்தலை மனதில் வச்சு பண்றாங்களா?
உள்ளாட்சி தேர்தல் அது குறிப்பாக திருச்சியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் அதிகமான அளவுக்கு படத்தை பார்த்தா வரக்கூடிய பை எலெக்ஷன் இருக்கு பாருங்க, இடைத்தேர்தல் அதுலேயும் மனசில் வச்சுக்கிட்டு தான் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி
பய உணர்ச்சி ஏற்பட்டுருக்குமாங்க. ஒரு பயந்து இதுபோல நடவடிக்கையில் ஈடுபடுறாங்க.
ஆமாம், அதில் ஒன்றும் சந்தேகமே இல்லை.
இந்த கைது நிலையத்தோட தடுக்க வேற என்ன நடவடிக்கை
நாங்கள் சட்ட ரீதியாக செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கிறோம்.
Well, a Delhi court will pronounce order on framing of charges against A. Raja and 16 others in 2G Spectrum scam case on September 15th. So far, all the accused have been named in the charge sheet by the CBI. Now the court will decide whether charges should be framed against them or whether some of them can be discharged. Now, in the last month, the accused have argued, in fact, against the framing of charges, so they have all sought to discharge from the case. Now, this order will determine if the accused will stand trial. Now, the suspense is over in the case of the 32-year-old woman in Pulyanthop who was found murdered on Friday. Doctors who conducted the post-mortem now say that she committed suicide and was not murdered as they had earlier suspected. But what is the status of other murders? Have they been cracked? Salim gets us all the details. Suryakala was found dead on the floor last Friday, but police found fine marks on her neck, leading to a suspicion that she might have been murdered. They arrested a man suspected of having an affair with her, and he confessed that they did indeed have arguments, after which she allegedly committed suicide.
The scene of crime was disturbed by this person who had come inside. He took down the body and kept it on the ground, because of which the complainant thought that it might have been murder, but that matter has been solved. It is a case of suicide.
While that's one death resolved for you, there are quite a few more pending ones out there. Pulyanthop police say they are focusing on the case of an elderly woman who was murdered for gain at her residence. The suspect is still on the run. Similarly, the murder of elderly sisters at their rented house in Kumaranagar 3 months ago has not been solved yet. Preliminary investigations pointed to men supplying groceries, but due to lack of evidence, the suspects remain at large. In Chennai, with Salim, this is Ashmit Kumar for NDTV Hindu. Well, more developments are coming in from the city. This one from, of course, the world of business. Bank of Baroda, we hear, is getting reports are coming which suggest that they have signed an MOU with the TVS Motors to extend loan facilities to customers. Now, of course, Bank of Baroda has, of course, been earlier nominated by TVS as a preferred financer for customers, indicator of course, their long-term relationship. Now, experts say that increasing number of such tie-ups are being witnessed between banks and auto majors. Experts also say that such tie-ups ensure ease of finance for customers and more demand for automobile majors. Here's NDTV Hindu. Impact. Getting community certificate from any of the Taluk office in the city has become one of the most difficult tasks. And facing the same problem is around 125 BPL students studying at the Siragu Montessori School. Now, school officials say that they have been trying to get the certificates for the last 5 years, but whenever they applied, Taluk officials returned by giving reason of incomplete documents. Now, today, after an intervention by NDTV Hindu, 2 students, Maheshwaran and Murugan, have finally managed to get the certificate. And now they will be able to write their 10th class examination this year. Now, today was the last date to fill the form.
Now, since we have issued a certificate, today we have issued a certificate. Last week the matter was inquired by our revenue inspector and Tahsildar, the VAO. Now the certificates have been issued.
I'm studying 10th standard. I got a field certificate. Studying 10th standard. I got community certificate today.
Now, besides these two, there are 123 other students who need the community certificate. For these students, the importance of community certificates increases more as it will help them to get all the benefits given by the government.
these children are actually coming from a begging background, and we are running a school for these children, and we are rehabilitating them, and we are giving education, food and accommodation and everything. So we are supposed to get SC certificate for them. So we have applied this office for the past 5 years. We are trying to get 125 SC certificate for these children. It's like an individual case. They want to do the inquiry. We told that you are very well welcome to come and see that settlement and talk with each and every parent and give the certificate. But what they did, whenever we give some document to them, they say that the document is stolen. Otherwise they say that no, please you give again document. It got rusted or it got drained. They say like that.
Now, here are some initiatives coming by way of the government that are expected to ease the traffic congestion in various arterial roads of the city. A flyover will be constructed near Coimbatore bus terminus at a cost of 40 crore rupees. A flyover will also be constructed at Velachery near Vijayanagar bus terminus at a cost of 50 crore rupees. Meanwhile, subways will be established at Chinnamalai, GST Road, MKN Road Junction, Ekathutangal and Kasi Theatre. A pedestrian overbridge will also be constructed at Central Station at a cost of 39 crore rupees. Well, up ahead now, Anna makes waves not just out of Ramleela grounds but also in cyberspace. We'll tell you more about it on the other side.